and blow with your nose, so in that way all the water will come out from your mouth. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to go to the island's famous scuba dive site, and it's called Big Coral, and I want to show you the underworld of the water. So let's go. I just want to chop some fruits to take it to the beach and eat them after snorkeling. The place that I want to take you there is called the Big Coral, of course, because of its big corals. And a little concern that I have is about jellyfishes, because it's their season and they're coming to the beach. But let's hope to see some turtle. It has so many various kind of fish, and I just call some of them Nemo fish because it's like exactly look the same as Nemo animation. And let's have so much fun under the water. See you there. We want to swim from the beach to there. So there is something in snorkeling that is called echolize, and you have to pick your nose like this and blow against your fingers to release the pressure. And if you don't do that, you have some problems with your ears. So it's better to do it when you want to go deep in the water. And if the water goes into your mask under the water, you have to push your hand above your mask like this and push a little, and blow with your nose, so in that way all the water will come out from your mask. And it's the same way with your mask, with your snorkel. You have to blow with your mouth. If the water goes into your snorkel, you have to blow so hard into this in your mouth, and the water will come out from this side of the snorkel.
are here. There is a coral that has a hole under it, and we want to swim under the coral. And I want to take you through the coral.